Happy 2025, Undiluted Tech family. Just got back from vacation and was trying to access my NAS, my true NAS share. And for some reason, I couldn't get it. I've tried everything, but I keep getting this weird error. As you can see right here, keep getting like Windows cannot access that. And if I click whatever diagnose, I'm not getting any headways, right? I'm not quite sure what the heck is going on. I get this error, and when I looked up this error, I found some things like you have to reset your network. That wasn't cutting out for me. So, after a long 2 hours of tinkering around, finally figured it out. There's nothing wrong with my NAS or my firewall rules. As you can see, 21 minutes ago, I tried to have all traffic go through because I thought maybe that was the issue, right? So it wasn't my true NAS. What I found out is, first of all, let me just show you what I tried. I went to my network and internet settings, and as you can see, I'm on Wi-Fi. If I go to, it doesn't matter whether I'm in public or in private, I'm still not able to connect, right? So I've checked the usual suspects. If I go back, go to advanced settings, and what else? Advanced sharing, I've got network discovery on, file sharing on, and that's the usual suspects. So I think the problem is there's a GP group policy that I was messing around with, and let me see if I can get that group policy. If you're on Windows Home, you might not be able to see this, so let me see if I can bring this over here. Alright, so let's see what's going on here, right? The group policy. There we go. Once you open up your local group policy, navigate to Windows Settings under Computer Configurations. Find Security Settings. Then find Local Policies. And under Security Options, if you double click that, find Microsoft Digital Site Communication. You can double click that and make sure that this is disabled. Press OK. Go back for the next policy that you need to take a look at. It's under Administrative Templates. And then on this one, I believe you go to Network. Then under Network, just click on Layman Workstation, and then enable EnableInsecureGuestLogons. So double click on that one. It should be like this. If you find it is disabled or not configured, just click on Enable. I like to leave comments why I did this, and I'll be to access my SMB share for true NAS, so that in the future I understand why I did that. Click on Apply and click OK. Now in theory this should work. So if I go back to my Synology NAS server, there you go. Thank you for watching this. Don't remember remember to subscribe, like, and share, and let's get this channel to 1,000 subs. All right, I'm out, y'all. Bye-bye.